Hey, this is John again, and this is part 3 of our 10-part series about timeshare transfers. This part is called Use of Attorneys and Licensed Professionals. Okay, not every timeshare exit requires an attorney, but in many cases you'll want licensed legal or real estate professionals involved. Developers write contracts with layers of legal protection for themselves, so having trained representation can dramatically increase the odds of a clean exit. But bear in mind, many of the exit companies who state that they have attorneys on staff have zero intentions on fighting for you. The attorneys are simply there to do boilerplate, rubber-stamped letter writing campaigns to the resorts and see if they'll bend. An actual attorney with intent to settle or to litigate would require a retainer, okay? They bill you by the hour and would probably even cost more than what you're already going to be paying to the so-called transfer or exit company that you're talking to right now. And larger timeshare developers have buildings full of attorneys ready to fight with you. We're talking armies of these guys on retainer, and unlike their attorneys, they are on retainer and will keep you in court until you are thoroughly bled out of cash and can no longer do this. So make sure you ask about this. Is taking that fight to the developer really worth it? I can assure you, in the vast majority of instances, it is not necessary. A credible company should either employ in-house attorneys or partner with a real estate or title firm that is well-versed and highly experienced in timeshare contract law. If the company claims to use lawyers, ask for the attorney's bar number. Verify their standing. On the other hand, if the company claims lawyers aren't necessary, but still charges legal level fees, that's another sign they may be padding the bill without delivering meaningful value or delivering the goods. Always ask, who will actually be working on your file? You'll want to know that. Exiting a timeshare isn't just about a phone call and a promise. It requires documented steps that protect you from future liability as well. A reliable company will keep in contact with you via email or regular mail to update you on the process. It may not be every day, but it's important you hear from them. In many cases, it's not a quick process. While there are certain resorts that can be completed faster than others, most require some time. Resorts are not always happy about losing a maintenance fee paying customer, okay? But make sure that for your own protection, keep your own files, signed agreements, emails, certified letters, receipts, and copies of every piece of correspondence. This can become invaluable if any disputes arise. So that's something you need to know. Make sure you know who you're dealing with and keep it well documented. See you in part 4.